Imagine you've just won a significant amount of money online. You're excited, you're thrilled, but then a nagging doubt creeps in: can I actually withdraw this money? If you've ever used Paysafe, this question might have crossed your mind. Let's dive into it together. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a global payment solution provider. It offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment gateways. Many online casinos, gambling sites, and other online businesses accept Paysafe as a payment method. Can I withdraw money from Paysafe? The short answer is no, you cannot directly withdraw money from a Paysafe account. Paysafe is designed to be a payment method, not a bank account. It's a tool to add funds to your online accounts, not a way to withdraw money. Why can't I withdraw money from Paysafe? There are a few reasons for this. Security. Paysafe prioritizes security. Allowing withdrawals could increase the risk of fraud and money laundering. Functionality. Paysafe is designed to be a one-way street. You add funds to it, but you can't take them out. Regulations. Various financial regulations and laws may restrict or prohibit direct withdrawals from prepaid cards or e-wallets like Paysafe. So, how do I get my money out? If you've used Paysafe to make a deposit on an online platform, you will typically need to withdraw your winnings directly from that platform. Most online casinos, gambling sites, and other businesses offer withdrawal methods such as bank transfers, e-wallets, like PayPal or Skrill, or checks. Common withdrawal methods. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. You'll provide your bank account details to the platform, and they'll transfer your winnings directly to your account. E-wallet. Many platforms offer withdrawals to popular e-wallets like PayPal, Skrill, or Neteller. From there, you can transfer the money to your bank account or use it for online purchases. Check. Some platforms may offer check withdrawals. This can take longer as you'll need to wait for the check to arrive in the mail. Important considerations. Withdrawal limits. Platforms may have withdrawal limits in place. This means you may not be able to withdraw the entire amount at once. Processing times. Withdrawal times can vary depending on the method and the platform. Some methods may take a few days, while others can be instant. Fees. Some platforms may charge fees for withdrawals. It's essential to check the terms and conditions of the platform to see if any fees apply. While you can't directly withdraw money from a Paysafe account, it's still a valuable tool for making online payments. By understanding the withdrawal process and the available options, you can ensure a smooth experience when cashing out your winnings from online platforms that accept Paysafe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.